Hey, this is Clint from CT Mad Mods, and this week I'm gonna take my Samurai interior apart. I'm gonna put some Dynamat in it, and I'm gonna throw a cheap carpet kit in it. Let's go. I picked up this Dynamat kit a while back and this cheap Maruti carpet kit. You know, I daily drive this thing in Anchorage, Alaska. For like the last month, it's been below zero. It is rough daily driving this thing in the winter because I have zero insulation. I'm gonna go ahead and pull that hard top off, pull my doors off, start ripping the seats out. Of course, you know I got some help. It's New Year's Day. We got a gigantic blood moon outside. It's pretty wild. It's beautiful. It's time to get this thing to warm up a little bit. We got the doors off. Kind of got it somewhat cleaned out. There's a pile of stuff over there. There's a pile of tools over there. Got a pile of shirts and stuff. It's probably time to do some housekeeping, but I got that floor mat out. Got Ronan some water. I've got to take this plywood deck out of here and then start removing my seats, but you can see I got it all cleared out. Didn't want to bore you with a bunch of me removing stuff, so here we go. I got it this far. Let me get that plywood out of there and then I'll rip the top off. These bolts right here are for my air compressor. It is bolted underneath here. Okay, we got that air compressor off. I'm just gonna lay it out of the way. It just unplugs. I can get it completely out of the way, but I needed to get it off so I can get this off. Some people get ducked. I got gatored. All right, here it is in all its glory, nice and dirty. So I'm gonna get my vacuum cleaner and clean all this out and prep it to put that Dynamat in. All right, it really wasn't my intention to remove this this factory floor liner, but mine's coming up pretty simple. Probably because it's like below zero outside, and I don't know. It's just coming up pretty easy, and so I don't really want to remove it all. But anything that comes off easily, I'm going to take off. Like this stuff here by my feet, it was just ripping off, and like I can do it with my fingers. I know this isn't how most of yours comes off. Y'all have to get like dry ice and stuff and chip it off of there, but mine just falls right off. So I'm gonna remove whatever comes off easily and keep working at it. I got this side pretty clean. I'm gonna get a wet washcloth and clean all that out. I don't have a pressure washer here, and I don't really want to do that anyways. Blast it with a pressure washer would be wild. So I'm just gonna keep cleaning, do the best I can, and get some acetone and clean it up after that. And then I'm just gonna put some of this Dynamat down. Right now I'm a couple hours in actually. I think I've been here about an hour and a half. So coming pretty far along. I did it here at work because I can leave it over the weekend, and if I don't get finished today, I can just leave it, and we'll be back here. Today's Thursday. We'll be back for work for at least half a day tomorrow. I might just finish it tomorrow, but I'm gonna get as far as I can, cleaning it the best I can, and then I'm gonna start putting that Dynamat down. All right, so that side's pretty clean. I was even able to get most of it off down there. I'm just gonna get some hot water and a scrub brush and kind of scrub this thing out, and maybe let it sit overnight and then work on it tomorrow. I don't know, haven't decided exactly what I'm gonna do, but it's coming out of there, starting to look way better. Like I said, I wasn't coming over here to like rip that that factory flooring out of there. I was just gonna leave it in, but some of it's so chipped it just falls right out. And I don't know, maybe it was when they applied mine, it didn't stick as well. And I know a lot of you guys have to like get dry ice and chip that stuff out of there, but mine's like ripping right out. Sometimes when I'm driving, pieces chip off like big chunks and get up in my feet. So I'm gonna pull out anything that comes out easily and try to clean it up the best I can. So I'm gonna keep chipping away at it. I know y'all probably don't want to watch me chipping away at flooring, so just bring you back once I get it pretty cleaned up. Somebody's bored. Yeah, get that monkey. See? He doesn't even like Jeep people. All right, I got this rear end all cleaned out too. It had a bunch of grease and stuff, so I'm gonna have to get some acetone and get that grease out of there so the Dynamat sticks, but got it pretty well cleaned out. Like I said, all of the factory liner that they have in there that chipped out, I just took right out, and I'm not really gonna worry about whatever else is left. It's pretty much gone from my feet, and I'm gonna leave some under the seat because that's a little bit more insulation than what I'm putting down. So my plan is to put Dynamat up front, all the way up where your kick panel is, underneath the pedals and everything. And as far back as I can, I got a cheap Maruti carpet kit off of like eBay or something. It was like $30. I'm gonna take some adhesive, spray on adhesive, and I'm gonna put that carpet over the Dynamat. I'll have like floor mats, obviously, on top of that, but the carpet is just to kind of cover the Dynamat. I don't really care about it. I just need it to be a little bit warmer inside this thing whenever I'm driving around, and 10 below. I've got this a lot further along. I cleaned this out with acetone, cleaned the back out with acetone. Ronan is getting anxious. He wants to get this show on the road, but I think I'm just gonna go ahead and start installing this stuff. Seems pretty clean. There was some residual like oil and grease and stuff from before, but this does not have to be perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and start laying down some Dynamat. All right, this seems pretty simple. Directions say clean it thoroughly. Step 2, use a razor knife or scissors to cut the Dynamat to the desired shape, and pull the back off and stick it wherever you just wanted to put it. So super simple. I have a roller tool. I'm gonna roll it down. Let's get started. Yeah, I think I'm not gonna have to trim this much. Maybe in that corner. Might not even have to do that, but my plan is to go over this hump and all the way up to here. So I'll start here and work it back that way. I already cut myself. I don't even know where. All right, first little piece right there. We'll do the rest of that. I just put the bolts for the seat back in the holes, and as I'm going along, I'm just cutting the holes out where the bolts go. There's probably a lot of videos on how to do this, but I haven't watched any, and I'm just kind of doing what I think needs to happen, kind of stick it down. Well, I've got the whole front done, and I have enough to do the back. So one of those boxes of Dynamat will do the whole floor in a Suzuki Samurai and leave you at least 1.5 pieces to maybe, you know, do some wheel wells and stuff. But I'm not going to do the wheel wells, but I did that whole front floor, and I'm going to do the floor in the back. All right, so I got to putting stuff together, and I got that Dynamat in right there. I'm throwing my seat in. I got this Maruti carpet kit. It doesn't fit, but let me show you. I don't know what is going on with the Maruti and why it does that, but it fits under my seat, and it just kind of is going to give me some insulation, I guess. My plan is to eventually get a Samurai carpet kit or something. I'm not real worried about it right now, but it's definitely gonna be way warmer now that I have Dynamat in and some carpet. I'm gonna throw that other seat in, and then I'll throw the top on. All right, so my wife showed up and hung out with me for an hour or two while I put it all back together. I'm currently sitting here getting gas. I got Ronan and Ember with me, and it does seem noticeably warmer in here. It's it says it's 3 degrees outside right now. It feels colder, I don't know. But check this out. Well, I can say that it's much quieter in here compared to what it used to sound like. It used to sound like a tin can. But yeah, it's noticeably warmer. The dogs are enjoying themselves. Right, Ronan?
One eternity later.
Ooh. It's about negative 10 degrees. Let's do a little cold start on the Samurai. Super cold out here. Yeah, keep it plugged in. Can't even hardly turn the... She started. Thanks for watching my video.